Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the logo of your team on ESPN Fantasy Sports. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. This will now take you into the official ESPN Fantasy Sports website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken back to the homepage from which you can either click on the Join Public League or the Create a League option. After clicking on this, you will now see the My Teams option at the top right corner. Hover over to it and then click on whichever team you wish to change the logo for. After choosing your team, you will see the Team Settings option. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will see the Change Team Logo option. Go ahead and click on this once again. And now you can choose from various different logos that are available from the free logo packs as well as custom logos from the web. Scroll through the various different options and then choose your desired logo. After you choose your logo, it will be applied to your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the logo for your team on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.